Managing your annual reviews has never been easier with company changes. Here's how you can streamline the process and ensure compliance effortlessly. First, onboard your companies onto the company changes platform. Once added, all annual review dates will be automatically sorted in ascending order for easy tracking. When a company becomes due for payment, the logo changes, so you can easily spot companies. If you want to update contacts collectively for all companies, go to My Details, My Contact, and download the Excel sheet. Make your updates and re-upload it. To send SMS and email reminders to office holders, you must update their contact details. For individual updates, simply click View Detail. For the company, navigate to Manage Contact and update details manually. Stay on top of your annual reviews with ease. Log in to company changes today and simplify your compliance process.